As you can see, the nurses are very animated about their concerns and the horrors that they have to go through in terms of security. I knew it was bad. I didn't know it was this bad until I'm now listening to the nurses. Unfortunately, the stopgap measures that the government put in place and all these little patches not working. And I don't think the public is sensitized enough to know that if they're coming to the polyclinics and misbehave, that there will be consequences. We need action. We need persons to do their job. A nurse is entitled to be in a safe place of work. Right now, the polyclinics are not safe places of work. The action will be decided by the nurses. I am here to facilitate them, right? And I can only do what they ask me to do. I will communicate to the government their wishes, not my wishes. Thy will be done, their will be done.